This is a very impressive machine. Our army has evaluated this helicopter over the last 4 years in all conditions, and they are very happy with the performance of the helicopter. And we are currently negotiating the contracts and the commercial terms. We hope to have it as a big part of the Pakistan Army, inshallah.